Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services mains exam. Question number 5 is what are the advantages and disadvantages of supercritical boiler as compared to that of subcritical boiler. Also draw the Rankine cycle TS diagram for a steam power plant employing supercritical boilers with single stage of reheating. First of all, supercritical boilers. Supercritical boilers offer higher efficiency, reduced fuel consumption, and lower emissions, but come with higher capital and maintenance costs, complex controls, and require specialized material compared to subcritical boilers, which are cheaper and simpler to operate but less efficient. The key differences are supercritical boilers operate above the critical pressure and lack a steam drum, allowing for smoother, more efficient process but demanding precise control and advanced metrology. So advantages of supercritical boiler are: first is higher efficiency by operating at higher pressure and temperature above 221 bar. Supercritical boiler achieve higher thermodynamic efficiency, meaning more power is generated from the same amount of fuel. Second advantage is lower fuel consumption. Increased efficiency leads to lower fuel usage for the same amount of electricity generated. Next is reduced emission. Burning less fuel results in lower emissions of pollutant. Next is improved uh, load flexibility. The one through design of supercritical boilers offers more flexibility in adjusting load changes. And next is smaller footprint. Supercritical boilers can have a smaller footprint for the same power output compared to subcritical. And disadvantages of supercritical boiler are higher costs. Both initial capital investment and ongoing maintenance costs are significantly higher. Next is complex control. The process requires sophisticated sensitive control system to manage the unique operating conditions. Next is advanced material. Higher temperature and pressures necessitate the use of advanced and expensive materials for boiler tubes and turbines. Next is water purity. Supercritical boilers require extremely high purity water to prevent scale and corrosion. And last one is lack of steam drum. The absence of a steam drum means there is no water oblique steam separation and the entire process relies on feed pump flow. And this is the Rankine cycle for a supercritical boiler operating above critical point with one reheat. This is pump and this is heating above a pressure of 221 bar, and then this is turbine, then reheating, and then turbine, and then